Hey, what is going on, gamer? Today, this is gonna be a gameplay. My first ever gameplay in this channel. It's gonna be one of the most played games and one of the most games that make people just want to throw the phone in the air and hit it in midair with a hammer. I'm talking about nothing more than Flappy Bird. So, this might be like 20 minutes or so. Hope that you guys enjoy, and let's get to it. Right. Got the 1, 2. Fuck. Don't repeat what I just said. If you heard me. Oh. At least I got it a 5, alright? At least I got it a 5. Oh. Just one more to make in my high score. Mom, this game is assaulting me. Bruh. Yes! Yes! My new high score, I went from 4 or 5? From 5 to 12, everybody. 5 to 12. Guys. I'm a loser! I am. You say you can never get past, Fuck!
If there are little kids watching this, don't let them. Please.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end this. I said I was gonna make it a 20 minutes, but this game is just gonna make me just throw it up in the air, and I'm gonna get the hammer and freaking throw it out the window. I'm gonna smash it out the window. So I hope that you guys enjoy, and see you all later.